Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using 3 colors from RCS Custom Nail Dips. These colors are so fun and vibrant and perfect for that transition into the end of summer, into fall. I just really wanted a bright, fun mani. So that hot pink you see there is Tahiti, and the blue is Water Baby, and then that beautiful coral is Sunkist. Now, 2 of these dips glow in the dark and they're UV changers. So Sunkist that you see here is a beautiful UV changer and glow in the dark, and Water Baby also glows in the dark and is a UV changer. So that makes the mani even more fun. So for today's mani, we're going to keep it really simple. We're going to do all solid color nails. We're not going to do any ombre or any glittering like that. We're just going to do a simple, easy, beautiful mani that you can achieve at home. And then we're also going to be using dip liquids for this mani. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. Alright, so we're going in with our second layer of dip, And real quick, you're probably wondering what is on my other hand, and that is actually a Justin Timberlake decal. Over at Nails Truly, we did a collab and it was called Man Crush Monday, and I picked Justin Timberlake, so those are Justin Timberlake faces on my other hand. Super random, I know, but you're probably wondering, like, what is that? And that's what it is. So back to these beautiful powders. So Sunkist is so pretty. I really need to do a mani of just this color alone. And also, I think it would be really pretty with one dip and do like a jelly mani, because Sunkist would definitely be a good dip powder to achieve that gel mani type of look. So since we are using two dip powders that are UV changing powders, I definitely recommend that you use your dip liquids instead of doing the gel method when you're using UV powders. This will ensure that you're getting the full color payoff of that UV changing when you're in the sunlight. So a lot of times when I do the gel method, my UV changers don't typically work well. It either will stay the color of the UV changing the whole time once I cure it, or I won't get any UV changing at all with my gels. So to ensure that I'm getting the full potential of all that fun color changing, I am using my dip liquids for this mani. So I'm going to go ahead and let you continue watching this process, and I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, so we're just finishing up this mani here, and how pretty are all three of these colors together. They are super vibrant and gorgeous. I will link everything that I use below in the description box, along with my Instagram info and a discount code for RCS Custom Nail Dips, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!